So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and find Instagram live videos. So how can you go through and find live videos on Instagram? Number one, the easiest way of going about doing this is by using the stories bar at the very top. So at the very top portion right here, when you're actually looking through all your stories, what you might not know is that if one of the people that you follow, if they're currently live, you'll see a little story icon at the very top and a little live section next to it or like on top of it, indicating that they're actually live. So if that's something that sounds good to you, if you want to go and just kind of jump into one of your followers or people who are you were following their live videos, you can jump right there and you can actually see it. What you can also do is you can go right into the search and explore page. So you can click on the little search button at the little bottom and you can go through and search for a particular account that you know that might be live. So if you want to, you can go ahead and actually just click on the search bar, search for a creator, or you can even search for a particular hashtag and that can also go through and allow you to find somebody as well. So you can find a hashtag, you can do like hashtag gaming, for example, and then you can go through and find people and videos who are currently kind of going through and who are live. And you can also go through on the explore page and sometimes they might show you a little like top lives portion as well. So it just depends, but you can scroll through here and try to find them. Another thing is if your Instagram did implement 1,000 follower rule, so in order for you to even go live you need 1,000 followers, but those are kind of the main ways to go about finding live videos on Instagram. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.